I'm not gonna go YouTube. I'm gonna go YouTube now. If I don't want to come, I'm gonna come. If I don't want to come, I'm gonna come. Let me find some music though, you know. Damn. Yeah, anyway, I can't wait for my get ready to go on YouTube. So let people know I'm going on YouTube. I'm going on YouTube. So whoever wanna come on YouTube to see me, you can come do so because I'm getting ready to go on YouTube. It's kind of dark, but the light is not coming on. Going to YouTube now because I have customer waiting for jewelry and stuff over there that want to see, like the jewelry again and so on. I have to work and the cream and so on. So if you want, you can ride over to YouTube and see me there. I love you too. How you doing? Good night. If you want to support, remember to call to get your cream. At sometimes, most of the time, the phone be going dead out of phone. So you can call 347-737-1812. You can still try the other phone. It's dead now. But you can call in the morning, 347-469-3874. And I will answer your call. And you can get your rubbings. You can tell someone to rub from where you want my skin still look pretty. Chocolate color. Come on, just use the whitening shea butter alone. When I use no lightening cream, just the whitening shea butter alone I use. So that's why my skin look like that. It's a pretty color. You know? But I'm going to go look white out because when the summer come, I'm going to read that white out because when the summer come, I don't want cream that much. I really white out, but tone up a little bit more. But this color is a beautiful color. Anyway, I like when my skin have this kind of color. You know? When you get cream it, and if you feel like a while in a cream again, and you get a pretty color. Like a tan. Beautiful. Yeah. So, how you guys doing? You good? You good? Your suckers are good? Yeah, I love it too. I'm going to go to YouTube. I don't know if you want to hop on over there and subscribe to me. I don't know if you hop on over there and curse somebody out for me. I have a lot of enemy now since they can ride on me. I see people don't have not even one friend. And they're hooked up to my profile and doing live. Just know a while ago. And I was like, what the heck? You don't even have a friend? What you doing on my thing doing live? Y'all just hack yourself in. But, you know, when people don't come the right way and share a video like you or try to come in the right way, you know, for you to add them to come with some bullshit. I mean, it's nothing to add a person. What a big deal, just add a person. You know what I mean? But you don't want to add a hacker. So you want to know who you're adding. So if the person sharing the video at least, and you see the person around, you're going to know them. You're going to know, so well, this person been here. And you can take them because, you know, they've been around. Hackers and all kind of people coming on your page. I'm at me more than once. Take down all 10, 20,000 people one time. My past 88,000 long time where you see this. So like a long time sitting. And I did something they know. I mean, you can tell. So I mean, take off a lot of people. Many people disappear too. When they know they get mad with me and say I'm me. When me couldn't find my own page. My own page disappear from me and gone. I mean, people have to understand, you know. I mean, I know them do it, but them do it. You see the number on my profile, you know, them do that a lot. More than once to me. Because you see we pass that number there long time. And I come back down and I climb up. Look good. If you don't pay attention, you can't blame me. I can't so fool if you have so much people. I follow me for be 100,000. And when it close to 100,000, me hack myself and take them down. And go back at 40,000, start over again, and hack myself again. That make no goddamn sense. You know, so, yeah, you know. Yeah. Of course, darling, of course, you know, and so on. We eat overnight food to them. Take me get the rest of the yam and sit them for the spoil now. You know. But me find something. So I'm going over YouTube. You want to hop over there? Because some people waiting on me. So you want to hop over there? Can you like hop over there? Yeah, if they want to, yeah. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Zivana, Stephanie. Thank you, honey. Thank you, beauty. Yeah, beautiful. Not sure. Why the little ear up go on? It'll up me to say one. What the little color on it? And me, the more I come crucify. Well, baby, you know what about it? My rubbing, some of bright color ear. It all work together once you have rubbings. And like a bright color ear, it don't have to be Indian. You see it look black? Look at it look black. If white people and Chinese people see me, them think I'm a natural ear. They never even know see I weave. Them don't even know it's a weave. They say, oh, your color hair nice. Oh, so beautiful. And you braid up some of it, I say, from the root and left the rest out. I say, yeah. It's my color, baby. See, right from my root. The root is in. Hallelujah. Shakri ila matande. What about people in a good car? You know I'm ready to be up and thing, you know what I mean, dog? Why? Yes, man. You know what I'm stay over you know wicked do, you know. And the thing about it, now come on YouTube, come support me, you know. You want to say the dog shit and come, they come cuss me, but me not pay them no time. Me know I bust them a look and don't want to take experiment on them throat. Pan them tongueless eaters, alligators. Yeah, you coming over there or not? Because I'm going to hang up now. You're coming to YouTube. You're coming to YouTube? And YouTube, my fat porky? You're not coming YouTube, my fat porky. YouTube. Come to YouTube, my man. Hey, you come to YouTube? Because I got to sell jewelry over there. So if you're looking for jewelry to buy, it's best opportunity you come now. And I want to show you how the white woman stab up my brassiere. Like she couldn't catch me. I got to wash my clothes them and pat them out and forget the brassiere sitting right there. So I look at cat and I leave it in the hallway. And believe you me, when I go back and fucking take up my brassiere, do my knife up my brassiere to ras my girl, me not lie to you. Me say this is wickedness. Me just, you know, say with you, me never have much money to tell a child. And I go right on the brassiere store. You know, see a $40 something for one of them brassiere. $40 something for one. Believe you me. Me not lie to you, you know. See there the black one me have on. See there? See if I saw me have the one they hide up. Look the one me wash for the laundry. Come back. Remember say me wash the laundry and dry it, you know. And bring it in the house. Now look at this and you tell me if you think this is right. I just bought these. Not too long. Look how the woman take knife and knife up my brassiere. Now look at that. In a rotten, in a dry rotten, say they a strong material. Not up in the house. Alright? Who else could a knife up my brassiere so? Tell me now. Tell me now, man. Look, they pop out all the bone out of it. Tear up the whole fucking thing. Cut it up, watch ya. Eh? Who could have destroyed my brassiere so now? Eh? Tell me now, who could have done that? Eh? Brand new thing I just buy. When I put on my weight, I say twice. I'm going to get ready to put on the strap on it because it's brand new. See the strap here? Don't even open yet. The strap don't even open yet because it's, you know, I wear it twice without the strap. It's strapless. And you can wear it, and they're very comfortable. And I pay $40 something for one piece. Believe you me. I want them to have on a black. See there? I want them to have on a black. Alright? With no strap, not upon it. See there? No strap, not upon it. Kind of everything you want wear with a brassiere with strap. You know what I mean? So they have so nice with summer dress, summer blouse, summertime I come. You want to have on a strapless bra. Anyway, I'm going by YouTube. Who want to come, come. Who don't want to come, stay. Who want to hate me, hate me. Who want to love me, love me. Alright, I'm going to YouTube now. I love you guys and I see you then. Okay, baby. Come and see the jewelry them so you can see what you want to buy. Yeah, the gold fill jewelry them. Well, not really gold fill, but them don't take long for change and put some kind of gold painting pan and take long for change. And a costume, but then take long for change. Alright, so come on YouTube and see what I have and see if you want something to buy. To support me, I have bleaching cream for good price also. Alright, me have $30 bleaching cream, $40 extra strength, small one, for your face and neck and so for a while. And I also have the bigger size. Me have 80, me have 150 extra large, 160, depends on how you want it, mix extra large. I have $10 soap, $5 soap, and all that, $30 soap and all that. You call in, you get your soap, you get your cream, pum tight, and sell off, done. Me have to go on some. Come on YouTube and come and support me. Haters instead of no come, they vex me if I log on YouTube to while on can. And so because I go over there now. Yeah. I know, I'm getting hungry too, so I can't stay too long on the phone because staying too long I'm getting hungry. My white squad, I come and lip them. So I'm not coming or not coming or not. I'm not come. I'm not come for come cost no drunk tonight. You understand me? Then me just don't wash my pussy and it clean and brush my teeth. Look good, clean. Me nah no time for no stinking old girl come spread out for me till like me I can give fly. Me not going bother with it. Come to YouTube and come right over there, child. The eyelash temp on fleek and the makeup on fleek and the ears bright. You can see me from any angle, anywhere. Just ride and come on over. Be have a smile on your face. Appreciate life and thank God that you have life. That you wake up today and you can even forget your bed tonight. Many people sick today. Don't have the opportunity to walk. That was just healthy. And just drop down, just suffer stroke, heart attack, and I will never able to walk again. Alright, and then to spare them like them kind of wheelchair and bend up all kind of something. You wake up every day, you have health and strength. Give God thanks to have that. Eat your food, enjoy yourself, and laugh the fuck the way till the day you die. Don't have hang ups with people and problems, and people come to you with their shit. Let them carry the burden of fucking loan. Don't let nobody come for you to bring their fucking burden. Let the fucking eater them bring them fucking burden of fucking loan. I either bring them down at the over them at work. At the time I come and turn back down at them mama pussy hole. Make them bring them blood clot burden alone. One dirty pussy girl they pan you talk about. From she the America she not have house and car. And I tell the dirty pussy girl say, you a dirty pussy girl. In America when you have house and car, you never blood clot own it. You pay and sell your pussy till it big and stretch out. Until you're dead no blood clot you can't stop pay the mortgage or the car. Me buy a car already at Jamaica and have good life already and live out and have fun. All about the place pussy girl. So when she sit down and fucking talk about, she not all the years in America with the blood clot you have, your big pussy you sit down on social media about somebody else with a big stinking pussy. Many of them sell them big stinking pussy and trick them big pussy and get house and car with them can blood clot paper. They still have to go a corner bar at night time. Still have to pick up blood clot man and suck them wood. Forget like money for make up for the mortgage. And the two little tenants to them bringing them now fucking pay them. And they have man a fuck out them hold them still have to pay for the wood. So don't blood clot come and come tell me. So when man have throw partner for fucking pay for man fucking cock in a them hole. Throw partner. One time I sell my jewelry and have to pay too. But at least we need to pay no fucking partner. You understand what I'm saying? These motherfuckers when I come in here, she not no house, she not no car. How much are we not no fucking house and car? This fucking place belongs to the government of the United States. You can't buy the blood clot want. You'll never blood clot own it. Best buy go to Jamaica, go buy something up at the bush. We can't say enough to pay no mortgage a month for your blood clot that. Pussy bitch when you come attack in America, people know about house and blood clot car. Most of them know about house and car, no go broke, spend all the money for house and car, and they still end up in a blood clot shelter at the end of the blood clot day. Just to show off on people and one of them can't fucking afford it. So we're not going to talk about house and car. That don't define fucking me as a person. Because me as a person, I don't give a rat's ass. Hungry no, man. You see, that's why I don't like to come in this motherfucker. Let me hungry. And then this motherfucker, you got to tell them. You know? That fucking shit don't define me as a person. When me born to my mama pussy, and me come right to my mama pussy, I bust out of my mother pussy. Did you see one house come out of my mama pussy first, and one car come out after, and then me fly out after? No. You never see my mama push out house and car and push me out after. That means me must have a house and car. Because my mama birth all of what I'm supposed to have. God no wicked so. God don't make you push you out. God no wicked so. God don't make you push you out. So we're not going to go and like say house and car define me. That don't fucking define me. Alright, a gasoline and car kill people, fucking bad oxygen in the fucking air. A donkey and ass and blood clot mule and camel we used to use. That blood clot bush. Earlier morning time go plant food. That is what you call life, living a blood clot paradise in Jamaica. Picking a breadfruit off the tree, picking up a mango, wash them, eat them, and living your life. As long as you have one nice, you go clean house like when the rain fall, you don't feel cranny. Because you have like a tattoo house when the rain falls, that wet up and it dirty and you feel cranny. You want to have a nice, clean house. We keep clean inside and nice. With all like a fridge, like a stove, you all like a something to make you happy in a blood clot. And when you don't build up that and fix up that nice. When you go home and rain start to fall, you not feel cranny. You're in your clean place. Cock up your foot high and watch your blood clot. Fucking satellite dish like what I used to do. You understand me? High. I take good on my blood clot. I take it. I can't take it no more. Because I have nothing to do but take good when you have money. And relax. So the fuck of them come talk. They not fucking talk to me. I live enough good life already. I thank God for my life now and the strength when still give me. I still not look boss up as bad as, you know. A little bit tired now because I'm hungry. But I mean... For the kind of things I go through, I could look more bust up on this. My body was really strong and hard. In a rubber skin. So when they come and fucking talk, me not feel me fearless, baby. Me fearless now, blood clot. By the time you see my brave put in this a bright area, and they see me color my own ear myself and my shit. Me fearless, baby. Hello, hello, somebody please tell these motherfucker I'm fearless. Uno could have come like a fucking snake, me crush out on a blood clot head. You tell them some blood clot fearless pussy. You make them know, goody. Make them know. Because them fucking pussy, I don't know nothing. Them fucking take them around me for national social media and make us come at them with one blood clot friend I know, friend I do live. Take your blood clot and go find 80,000 people go do live. You don't even have one blood clot friend per your line. You want to sit down and chat me and mix up and blend and take time I do live and chat me behind my back and I erase. You go suck on a blood clot, mama. And that's enough for blood clot, do. So me I tell no right now. Me fearless, no blood clot, yes. Hello? Hello, somebody, hello. Please tell them. Say, Oliver, don't give a fuck. Don't let me give a fuck about praise God, love people, and the food are going to my belly. You see food are going to my belly? And me love that, no blow. That's why I'm not from people coming on who applies me quick. Blood clot. Come love for them. You understand me? You see me, dog? You see me? You see me, right? Hello? Yeah. Blood clot. The more pies that you got, can you like for blood clot, yam? So them pies everybody. And then if you like for yam, they all go to one restaurant and you don't have a blood clot chef and they cook up something for you. What you think is a strange restaurant, so go call your popular and don't set your party when they want to kill it. And kill it anyway, they catch you and kill it, you know. You can't hide from them when they want to kill it, man. If you way have pies for you, all the grocery store they own or something for you. Blood clot. A big connection when they want to get you, you know. I think a small connection that can blood clot get to it. You go to a restaurant, go blood clot out of your food and sit down. And I realize that the boss and the blood clot owner for the restaurant run up to other gang of people. There's a one blood clot connection. You still get fucked anywhere you go. You think society easy? You got joke, my youth. I love it to go there. I go on YouTube, man. Come, man. Here you come. I love it too. You love the colors? It's not a rainbow color, my girl. If you want to beg me suck your pussy, just beg me. But I fucking tell me a rainbow color. See, I'll get me like you can give me a sucker and sucker half or something. And we'll make you know yes or definitely no. I mean, I have to come to some conclusion. Are you rich or not? Listen to me, Me used to something about ugly, but I couldn't mean I call ugly a pretty baby doll like me. You see me look like baby doll, you see me look like dolly baby. You see me look like I call me ear dolly ear. What happened to you, baby? You couldn't so vex, you couldn't so mad, baby. You must love me, man. You couldn't so bright tonight at all. You tell me something ugly. After all this bright color and all this bright makeup on my long, beautiful lash, you're going to try and put me down on it? No. Not tonight after all the effort I make to be so beautiful. You're going to try to steal me that remember. Oh, no, baby, no. You couldn't do me so bad, no, so you couldn't eat me so bad. After you tell me something ugly, me I try and put on all the long lashes, them to suit you. Oh, God. And it's so fabulous. And you still come back and tell me, oh, God, man, come on. You have to give me a little 5. At least me try a thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Try a thing, man. Hello. Yes, baby. Try a thing. And you still a complain like you want to suck my tongue. Want this tongue? That's what you want. You bumper clot, you bitch. Switching a bitch and a switching a bitch and a switching a bitch. I said, no. Nasty hoe. You ain't gonna get me suck your stinking, stingy, rat-smelling pussy. You rat-smelling pussy. I said, no. You goddamn rat-smelling pussy. I just washed my goddamn pussy. And you wanna start some shit? You wanna start some shit, bitch? My pussy's clean right now with your rat-smelling pussy. Rat-smelling pussy. This pussy is clean. Clean, like you're walking in the magazine. Pull your belly up when you walk on the scene. No make them know your nap till your belly side lean. Pull in your gut, you walk on the scene. No make them know your nap till your belly lean. The belly it a push up on the side. You say why? Belly say me too big. You squeeze me, make me cry. Oh, why? Ow, come to YouTube, me and you. Don't want the pussy, but I want a fat dude. Ow,
oh. Right on the cocky like a Tudor. Right on the cocky me na Judas. Right on the cocky like a Tudor. Right on the cocky me na Judas. Right on the cocky like a Tudor. Right on the cocky me na Judas. Judas. This a pussy not go betray you. This a pussy you never eat you. This a pussy you honest sweet you. This a pussy you eat have to keep you. Right on the cocky me na Judas. Yeah, come on YouTube, I stay over this motherfucking place. Motherfucking play. Oh. Hey, motherfucking place. Motherfucking. The world make me fucking crazy now, bitch. Wanna talk, make your choke, my mother slit. A motherfucker wanna talk, just a dirty bitch. You wanna sit and talk, make your throat slit. Them pussy sit and talk every day, you know I'm dope. They be sitting talk about that I'm sniffing coke. Like my life is like a stagger bucket, ain't no joke. See this pussy, all them sit down every day, but I mean not take no coke. Since it mean you smoke, them I talk, but them word is just a joke. But me fucking word, bitch, you know me not go choke. Not go call goddamn coming, not go make no oath. Some of them are talk. It's a joke. Mistaken. Them are mistaken. See the fucker smile, but the wall of them hating. A newspaper call me off to get me rating. I feel rice. Pussy eat sweet like a fucking sugar. Yeah, rice. Hey, all tight. You have to advertise cause the pussy eat sweet and the kakita rice. Rice, kakita rice. Pussy eat sweet and the kakita rice. Boy, now me all make me damn eat my ties. Ow! YouTube, come on over, bitches. Yeah, I'm coming now. If you ain't coming this fucking place, I ain't coming back to you fucking later. I tell you fucking motherfucker, don't act like fucking hater. You fucking got to come and don't be a hater. What you fucking hate at them, they fucking is lose. Looking at my page like you think I'm a fool. Yes, I got my gangster bitch and motherfucker got my crews. Hey. What you gonna do? You wanna talk that hot shit? Oh, you wanna talk that hot shit? Take off my gun, I make the fire, it a spit. Wanna talk that hot shit? So me put it well good and it tight. Yes, he got a couple years number on it, but he still feel right. Right in a me make the boy want to make me cry. He want to fuck me pussy hard and make me fucking cry. Hey, what a yes, it's just a lie. Cause your cocky never big enough for damn make me cry. So you know me perform and tell me a lie. What a shame, cause your cocky never make me cry. Why, you so fucking fool, you a damn fool. Fuck this pussy and you gallop like a mule. Can't get famous, I know you fucking dragging my body up and down like a fucking race ass. Quiet motherfucker, let me take this. A motherfucker eat slip out, you wanna put it in my ass. And I said, no. I'ma take a shit and you dick motherfucker. You wanna take it to YouTubers. They come to YouTube, you know? They're coming to YouTube now, motherfuckers. I don't give a fuck, bitch, what you want to say. Keep on talking to the God I pray. Bitch, you want to tell me to ain't no way. I'ma be happy every motherfucking day. I don't care, bitch, I don't care. Go and fucking stab my brassiere. Your nasty frowns, your white dog, you must feel what comes around your damn stinking heel. This fucking woman, she's stab up my brassiere. Let her know that little witch stab up my brassiere. She wanna stab me, say, right in me heart. So she stab it on the side, right through me heart. Little dirty white fool. See where she at? Motherfucking witch. Then why you fucking read the fucking damn witch stick? Turn them up on side, motherfucking get switched. But you say, God, me no want put my hand into it. I say, police want to come. They come lock me down. Cause the bitch stuff up my brassiere, she want me lick her down. She attempt me. Oh my God, the bitch, she attempt me. Oh my God, me said the bitch attempt me. I don't know why this bitch attempt me. Why you come up my brassiere? Why you fucking take my brassiere? Why you fucking take my brassiere? Why you fucking take my brassiere? You don't know to fucking be. You don't know to fucking be. Why you fucking stop my shit? Bitch, bitch, stop my shit. Why you fucking stop my fucking shit, man? Oh, fucking shit. Stop my shit. Oh, fucking shit. Y'all come to YouTube, come and look at this damn jewelry, and come and make some damn money. You hear me? Because y'all ain't selling me no fucking money. I ain't begging nobody shit. I'm selling. So hop on over, come get your shit. You're still getting discount, motherfucker. And I'm still making you laugh, your motherfucking heart out. Because that's what I'm here for. Love you. See you on YouTube now. No.